Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install WordPress using Softaculous. First, go to your control panel login page and enter the correct login details. Here, we use the cPanel. Next, look for the Softaculous icon in the control panel. Click on the Softaculous icon to take you to the Softaculous end user panel. Once you are on the Softaculous end user panel, you need to search for WordPress. Select WordPress. This will take you to the WordPress page. Click on the Install button here, which will display the install form. After clicking on the Install button, you need to fill in the form displayed as the following. The form asks lots of details, which are pre-filled by default. You can change it if you need or leave it as it is and proceed with the installation with default values. After filling the form, click on the Install button to start the installation process. Then, sit back and relax, let Softaculous handle the installation process for you. You will see the success message as the following when the installation is completed. Now, you can access the WordPress admin panel and WordPress site.